is me, Patricia. I'm gonna be playing. Well, I'm not gonna be playing Brookhaven. It's different. Yay. So you're gonna have to check my I did not do that. It was actually a bacon. Could be my sister anyway, so. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, do not. This is my dad. Yeah. So he used to play Roblox before, but he's now not playing it, so it's on 1%. My sister, she's just cute. These were my two first friends, and my sister is my first friend. And I am Peach. If you want to add me, I am Peach. I was about to do that, but natural disaster. Nope, we're not playing this. Comment below if you want me to play 308 because it gives me nightmares. Because if y'all comment, y'all give me nightmares. Bye.